Just give us a minute.
A minute? This is every night. I am trying to hold this family together, but you're all stuck on your own
Yung pala yung sinasabi ni Maday na puro gadget na lang.
Does this really your day? No. This stops now. Don't be that stuff. It's family time. Family time is so boring.
Alright. That's it.
That includes no phones at the table. But can I put it under the table before next week? Absolutely not. We're going to talk like a family. No streets, just us.
Alright, kids. Let's humor your mother. What's the worst that can happen?
We could do something important in the class. Or we could discover something